Hello everyone. Finally, today's topic is Supabase integration. Today, I'm gonna show you how I can add Supabase in my project and why I used environment file. Actually, you need to firstly create account in your Supabase. You can create easily with GitHub, and after create your project, you need to go to the settings, and you need to after that go to the API. But firstly, on project we need to add some packages. There are firstly Supabase Flutter, and other package is a Flutter dot environment. Why I use environments? Actually, in my project, I wanna access easily my API URL or other secret things. For using I environment, for this I added this package. You can add this package easily, flutter.environment and other Supabase Flutter. After this adding, we need to create an environment file in folder there is need to create. And after this, how is your import or anything? Maybe you have a API URL. You can say just API URL and equal to your URL addresses. You can easily access on your project how we can use firstly environment or how we can access Supabase URLs. I can say now. Firstly, we inspect on package Supabase Flutter. We need to import this package firstly. I'm copy there how I use this package document and I added after this. They are want to a second programming and need to widget Flutter bring it for initialize, and after this Unity import Supabase initialize URL and NNK and add callback. This is optional there. I don't use there, but I can copy there now. I'm copy inside there, but firstly need to async type convert, and after this paste we need to access environment files. But firstly I want to show you how you can find their URL and anonym key. For this you can go setting on after this API. This URL your URL addresses Supabase URL. This is project URL, and after anonym key your project API keys inside their unknown public key. You there copy this is too long, maybe don't be afraid. You can after paste here. This is finish easily accesses, but firstly we need to access environment file. How I can access environment file? This project they say need to import initialized environment file. For this need to await that environment load, but we have this name just environment. For this just I use that environment that load, and simple things. You need to import and use this Supabase initialize. For this need to wanna initialize for Supabase my addresses. For this need to actually beforely import, and after this, okay, and there dot environment, how I can call. Now we can check there. You can then access variables from that environment to the application. How I can access their insights? They say that environment looks like a map. Easily we can call there that environment that and what is my environment Supabase URL. This copy and paste, and after things again copy paste. What is my NOK name? I'm copy there and paste, but don't forget to convert to string. You can just add it to string or add inside string files. After this, have any question or other things? No. Yeah, this environment things finish. I can edit URL there. My what is URL is copy and paste, but I don't paste Supabase anonym key for this secret key. Your in your project you can copy this line, don't this or don't this, just anon public is equal to these long things, this copy and just paste there. You can use after this. This video is finished. Thank you so much, guys.